Hey everyone, welcome to my rapid weight loss channel. It's your girl, losing weight, and let's face it, finding time to work out is very difficult. But guess what? You don't need hours in the gym to see amazing results. Just 10 minutes is all it takes to fire up your metabolism, blast calories, and get that lean, toned body you've always wanted. We'll be working every major muscle group, torching calories, and boosting your metabolism. So, are you ready to sweat it out and transform your body in just 10 minutes? Grab your water bottle, put on your workout clothes, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic warm-up exercise, jumping jacks. This simple yet effective move will get your heart pumping and prepare your body for the workout ahead. Stand tall with your feet together, arms by your sides. As you jump, step your feet out to the sides and raise your arms overhead, clapping your hands together. As you land, bring your feet back together and lower your arms to your sides. Maintain a steady rhythm, keeping your core engaged and your movements controlled. Jumping jacks are a great way to warm up your entire body, improving cardiovascular health. Alright, take a moment to catch your breath and prepare for the next exercise. Next up, we're targeting multiple muscle groups with squats. This powerhouse exercise engages your legs, glutes, and core. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Lower your hips down as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your weight in your heels. Make sure your knees track over your toes, and don't let them collapse inward. Push through your heels to return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. Maintain a controlled and steady pace throughout the exercise, focusing on proper form. Feel the burn in your thighs and glutes as you power through each repetition. Great work. Now let's move on to the next exercise and continue sculpting that amazing physique. Get ready to engage your core and sculpt a strong, toned midsection with the plank. This isometric exercise targets your abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back. Start by getting into a push-up position, with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Make sure your core is engaged, your back is flat, and your hips aren't sagging. Hold this position, maintaining a tight core and focusing on your breath. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine to further activate your abdominal muscles. As you hold the plank, maintain a steady breathing pattern, inhaling and exhaling deeply. Excellent work. Now let's move on to the next exercise and continue building a stronger, more resilient you. It's time to build upper body strength and definition with push-ups. This classic exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward. Lower your body down towards the floor, keeping your elbows close to your sides and your core engaged. Once your chest grazes the floor, push back up to the starting position, engaging your chest and triceps. Maintain a controlled and steady pace throughout the exercise, focusing on proper form. If you're new to push-ups, start with knee push-ups and gradually progress to full push-ups as you get stronger. Keep your core engaged and your back flat to prevent any strain or injury. Amazing job. Now let's move on to the next exercise and continue shaping that incredible physique. Let's work on our balance, coordination, and lower body strength with lunges. This dynamic exercise targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, core engaged, and back straight. Take a step forward with your right foot and lower your body down until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee tracks over your toes and your back knee hovers just above the floor. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Maintain a controlled and steady pace, focusing on proper form throughout the exercise. Great work. Now let's move on to the next exercise and keep that energy high. Get ready for a cardio blast with high knees. This high-intensity exercise will get your heart rate soaring and torch calories. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, core engaged, and back straight. Begin running in place, bringing your knees up towards your chest with each step. Pump your arms back and forth to generate momentum and maintain a steady rhythm. Focus on driving your knees up as high as you can, engaging your core and maintaining an upright posture. High knees are a fantastic way to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Amazing job! Now let's move on to the next exercise and keep the momentum going. Get ready to sculpt and strengthen your glutes with glute bridges. This effective exercise targets your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Lie face up on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground, hip-width apart. Engage your core and lift your hips off the ground, pressing through your heels and squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower your hips back down to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Feel the burn in your glutes and hamstrings as you power through each repetition. Keep your core engaged and your movements controlled to maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Great work! Now let's move on to the next exercise and continue building that incredible physique. Get ready for a full-body challenge with mountain climbers. This dynamic exercise targets your core, shoulders, legs, and cardiovascular system. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and keep your back flat. Bring one knee towards your chest, keeping your foot off the ground. Quickly switch legs, bringing the other knee towards your chest as you extend the first leg back to the starting position. Maintain a fast and fluid motion, as if you're running in a plank position. Focus on engaging your core and keeping your hips level throughout the exercise. Feel the burn in your entire body as you power through this dynamic exercise. Amazing job. Now let's move on to the next exercise and conquer the final stretch. Get ready to push your limits with burpees. This ultimate full-body exercise combines squats, push-ups, and jumps. Start by standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body down into a squat position and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Kick your feet back into a plank position and perform a push-up. Immediately jump your feet back towards your hands and explosively jump up into the air, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly and immediately go into the next repetition. Burpees are a challenging exercise that requires both strength and endurance. Keep your core engaged and your movements explosive to maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Incredible work. You've pushed through some of the most challenging exercises. Now let's cool down and stretch those hard-working muscles. Great job completing this 10-minute fat-burning workout. You've pushed through the intensity, and now it's time to reward your body with a well-deserved cool-down session. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself because it helps your body transition back to a resting state. Now, let's cool down and stretch those hard-working muscles. Stretching not only helps in relaxing your muscles but also enhances your overall flexibility and range of motion. It's a crucial step to ensure that your muscles recover properly and are ready for your next workout. Stretching helps improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and prevent injuries. By incorporating regular stretching into your fitness routine, you can maintain muscle health and improve your performance in various physical activities. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your body in top shape. Start by gently stretching your arms overhead, reaching towards the sky. This stretch helps to elongate your spine and relieve any tension built up in your shoulders and upper back. Make sure to breathe deeply as you stretch, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Hold the stretch for 15 seconds, feeling a gentle pull in your shoulders and back. It's important to hold each stretch long enough to allow your muscles to relax and lengthen. Avoid bouncing or forcing the stretch, as this can lead to injury. Next, stretch your legs by bringing one heel towards your glutes, holding onto your foot with your hand. This stretch targets your quadriceps and helps to improve the flexibility of your thigh muscles. Keep your knees close together and your back straight to get the most out of this stretch. Hold the stretch for 15 seconds, feeling a gentle pull in your hamstring. Hamstring stretches are essential for preventing lower back pain and improving your overall mobility. Make sure to keep your hips aligned and avoid any twisting motions. Repeat on the other side. It's important to stretch both sides of your body to maintain balance and symmetry. This helps to prevent muscle imbalances and ensures that both sides of your body are equally flexible and strong. Finally, lie down on your back and bring your knees towards your chest, hugging them close to your body. This stretch is great for releasing tension in your lower back and hips. It's a gentle way to end your stretching routine and helps to calm your mind and body. Hold the stretch for 15 seconds, feeling a gentle release in your lower back. Take this time to focus on your breathing and let go of any remaining tension. This stretch can also help to improve your posture and reduce the risk of lower back injuries. Great work on completing this 10-minute fat-burning workout. You've not only burned calories but also taken the time to properly cool down and stretch, which is essential for your overall fitness and well-being. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Make stretching a regular part of your fitness routine, and you'll notice improvements in your flexibility, strength, and overall health. Keep up the great work, and stay committed to your fitness journey. Give yourself a huge pat on the back for crushing that workout. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing amazing results. Now, make sure to refuel your body by drinking plenty of water and give your muscles some love with a good stretch. If you enjoyed this 10-minute fat-burning workout, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome workout routines and fitness tips. Let's keep pushing our limits and reach our fitness goals together.